Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we'll learn how to use OTG adapter with a normal pen drive or OTG pen drive in Oneplus Nord CE to Lite smartphone. Before we start the video, I request you to subscribe our channel for more interesting phone videos. First of all, we need to insert the pen drive into the OTG adapter. So after inserting, you need to insert this setup into the phone. Now you need to open the settings of the phone. Then choose system settings, then enable OTG connection. So after enabling, the OTG will start recognizing now the OTG is connected. Now you can open the OTG. You can copy the files from the OTG to your phone. So I will copy this file, then choose phone storage and copy to here. The same way you can copy from storage to OTG also. So before you need to remove the OTG drive, you need to open the notification panel and choose tap to remove USB. So without removing that, this will damage the pen drive or your phone. So after only you need to remove that. So that's all guys. I hope this video was very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up. See you next video. Bye bye.